Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my experience and just insight to the market with y'all. And we got some very exciting news today. So if y'all been following Shiba Inu's chart, man, it's been going crazy for the day. First off, hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you help push this out to the community. Also, come join our private investment community, private stock market game. Also, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco to make sure y'all are tapped into what's going in with the channel, basically minute by minute. We got some crazy news. If y'all been paying attention, y'all can see we're up right now 5%. It was at one point almost like 9% for the day. But what I wanted to show y'all was this tweet that we got from Shytoshi, man. This is actually from Shytoshi a few hours ago, basically retweeting, well, tweeting this post showing that this person, Sheep Nasty, made a post about Shiba Inu loaded on Robinhood app. Announcement to be made soon about listing. It ain't no more dots to connect, y'all. We already recognize what's happening. Understand, look at the history of the market. Once it got added to Coinbase, we seen a 23% increase. So during these times like this, once y'all see we have those red days following, after the days like this, y'all need to be, matter of fact, I can't say you need to be because this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence. But if you believe in this project and you have the extra money to, you shouldn't be stressing yourself out about it. If you already got a bag and that's just your long-term investment, then that's fine. But another strategy, you can DCA, dollar cost average, into buying that dip, and then once we see those gains, you'll be able to profit. A lot of y'all are waiting to make a lot of money from Shiba Inu, but what you have to realize is you don't have to wait until we hit 1 cent or something like that. All you have to do is get a bigger bag. The bigger your bag is, the easier it will be to see gains on the days that we see green. I'm trying to have y'all connect the dots. Now, with Shytoshi retweeting this, or sharing this post, this tells me something as a Fortune 500 marketer, that this is not to be taken lightly. We should not, ignore this. Now, yes, it might not happen today. It might not happen tomorrow, but this is a warning sign. What do you want? You want it to happen and then try to jump on, the play? You want to think before and position yourself in a position to come up once this news drops. So I'm just trying to tell y'all what would be the smart way if you want to leverage your bag right now, to have even more money. So I just did a little technical analysis on here. I want to also show y'all a tool to understand when to buy the dip, so you can basically, be a better informed investor. A lot of people don't understand, like, they be like, hey bro, how should I know exactly when to buy the dip? I buy the dip and it dips again or it dips again. Nobody can always tell you this 100% perfectly, that you'll time it all the time, perfectly, but you just want to try to get as close to that dip as possible. Sometimes, yes, you can buy the dip and it dips again, but that's why my strategy is I like to save money to be able to buy the dip at least 3 times. So let's say whatever I'm dollar cost averaging into, I don't even just drop that whole thing. I might put a third or half of it first. Let's just say if it's $100, let's say per week, I'll, instead of just putting $100 per week on this 10% dip day, buy $30 worth. We get a 15% day. I might buy, another, $40 worth. You get another, 10% day, buy another 30% worth. You can get creative with how you do it. I'm just really trying to paint the picture so y'all can understand that you can, make your own strategy to this. And also you can double bubble by buying those dips. So here's a tool that I'm using that you see up on my chart right here. If y'all been following all my videos, you might have seen this tool come out in the last couple videos ago, but this is called a Fibonacci retracement tool. So what this tool does is basically help us identify where the price will retrace to. Now, this is not me saying, I know where the price will go to. This is me saying what the candlesticks are showing us, what the chart is, reading, that these are the areas that the price is likely to pull back to. So now I'm gonna take this tool off of here and show y'all how to do this from scratch. Okay, so what we're looking at here, what we're trying to identify is, when you see the price go on an impulse, this, when you see all the green candles going up, everybody buying, that's called an impulse. When you see the red candles coming in, sellers selling off, that's called a correction. This signifies confidence in the market. This signifies fear in the market, or uncertainty. So once we are entering these levels, people are confident. But once we got up here, a lot of uncertainty. We've seen a lot of sellers up here, dropped it all the way back down to this price. But how could we tell that this would be a key support level? And one way we could do that is by using what's called our Fibonacci retracement tool. So what you do is, a lot of y'all use this coin market cap chart, and I see a lot of y'all just know about this part. What you can do is click here where it says trading view on the chart, and it'll show you the candlestick version of the chart. And what you can do is go on the left side here, grab this tool called it's the third option, the third menu option that they allow you to click on. Click that, then grab the Fibonacci retracement. It says Fib retracement. And then what we're looking for is the last swing low area on the chart before in this trend here. So we just had this last uptrend right into this downtrend to this uptrend. So what we're looking for is to see before this happened right here. Before this happened, how will we know where this will fall to? So let's just say we had this area on the chart here, this green area. What we would do is measure from our last swing low, the last lowest point on the chart, to the highest point on the chart. And our retracement tool should help us understand key support levels. So what we'll do is place this fib retracement at the bottom of the swing low candle, and then connect it to the top of the swing high. And now we can see, so I connected it here at the low, swing low, and I moved it all the way up here to this swing high. So now we can see these are key support levels here. So normally you see the three key golden levels you'll see is about the 38.2%, the 50%, and the 61.8%. So right away y'all can notice it fell and supported right off of the 61.8%. But normally what we can see is it moving down to, you know, it might hold here. If it's super bullish, it might tap that 38.2 level and continue to, you know, move in a bullish trend. Or, you know, it likes to settle on that 50 range. But sometimes what you can see, if it breaks through there, through this 50 range, it can continue to turn bearish. And what happened for that candle is it went all the way down to this 61.8 range. So these levels, these key ranges, shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I got y'all as soon as this video is over with. Make sure y'all drop a comment section in the video. I will be down there after this video. Let me know y'all rocking with me. Notification gang, drop in the comment section. So these key areas are like magnets. You know, it's going to pull the price to these levels. It might want to push up, it might want to pull down, but these key levels are important. So if you noticed, when the price shot up all the way up here, if we would have had this up already, you could have known that potentially the price would come back, retrace to here, or exactly where it went to here. Notice how it fell exactly to the T right at this level. That wasn't by accident. This is the market. There's a lot of buy and sell orders in the market that, you know, are already using this same tool that I'm trying to show y'all right now to understand where the key levels would be. So right here, as soon as it hits this level, they have bots and algorithms to automatically buy it up, or traders who know how to read the chart are waiting for this level to get it for, you know, hopefully the cheapest price, you know, if it keeps pulling back. And, you know, at least enter a position here. It could have continued to fall down, but most likely it would turn around at this point because people just understand how to read a chart and they know that this was a significant dip. So, but another thing that could have told us this was a good level was if we look at our previous resistance. Remember, I told y'all previous resistance become new support. So if we go back, right in this range, you see right here was a previous resistance. The price resisted here and pushed back down. So if we pull it back, we can notice it fell and supported right exactly on top of this previous resistance and continue to bounce off. So that's what it's looking like right now. We got some you know, a lot of buyers stepping in. The market is overall, you know, green today. Let's throw a trend line on here just to see the trend that it's likely to move in. So it's likely to follow this trend. We could see it continue to go bullish until it, you know, rejects off of this trend and continues to move along this here, unless we see a breakout outside of this pattern, maybe sometime around this area if something serious happens. You know, this is not financial advice. You know, this is just what the chart is saying. You know, so I'm just trying to help y'all become better investors by learning, you know, how to get better entry on the chart. Because, you know, instead of buying up here, if you wanted to add to your bag instead of buying at the top right here, I would prefer y'all, you know, I'm very bullish on Shiba. I'm holding Shiba 5 years plus, but I would prefer y'all to be able to get it at a discount price by knowing how to wait until the price pulls back. Some people might say, we don't care, you know, we just gonna buy, we want to buy wherever, you know, and don't, you know, tell people to wait until the price pull back, because the price will never pull back. Some people are, you know, just naive enough to think the price will never have a correction. And, you know, some people really get upset by me telling people to wait when to buy until the price, you know, shows you a good support. But I'm just trying to help my community out, those that really rock with me. I want y'all to know how to, you know, be better informed. You don't have to do this. Remember, you can buy at the highest point if that's what you want to do. You don't have to buy for cheaper. I'm not telling you what to do. But, you know, I definitely wanted y'all to know how to use this. You can use this for any other crypto as well, you know, not just Shiba. So, you know, practice using this tool. You can also research how to use it. Just type in Fibonacci retracement. Hopefully, you know, I made some sense with this tool. I know a lot of people found this tool helpful in the last video that I did on Jake Gagan's show. So that's why I want to pull it out for y'all and get y'all, you know, used to some of these indicators, like, you know, the Bollinger Band, the moving average, well, the MACD, RSI, VWAP, things like that. I'm gonna start to, you know, incorporate those into these videos as well. So that's all we got for this video, y'all. Pretty much appreciate y'all for rocking with us, man. Things are looking good, man. You know, stay down for the come up, man. That's all we got. We are out.